Happy spring, gorgeous girl. It's 70 degrees outside here in Colorado, and there's almost no snow left on the ground. You know what that means? Tanning. I'm going to show you how you can turn legs like this into legs like this. My name is Eddie Christine, and welcome back to my channel. Or if this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you like activewear hauls, fitness, and beauty, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. Oh, and the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. You know, I've heard so much about Coco and Eve's Sunny Honey Bali bronzing foam and how good it smells. I thought, well, let's give it a try. So I got on the website and ordered the extra dark shade. It comes in medium and dark as well. Not only will it give you a stink-free tan, but this product contains Cellushape, which is supposed to hydrate and firm your skin and reduce the signs of aging. Well, if that's all true, this will be my new favorite tanning product. So when I got the package, I opened the box and look how cute. The kit includes the bronzing foam, the Mitt, which is super awesome, and the Kabuki Brush, which is super awesome too. I wanted to get free shipping, so I also added the exfoliating mitt and this super cute scalp brush. And with the special they were running, I got this mini hair kit free, which includes a coconut and fig mask and a really cute shower cap. Let me show you the mitt. I just love this. It's very similar in fabric to my other favorite tanning mitt, and you can see it in this video. I'll also have it linked down below along with everything else. Instead of that cheap flimsy foam that slips around all over the place on your hand and then totally rips when you're using it, this is a nice fabric. And I mean, how cute is this? And let's talk about the Kabuki Brush. You know, I have been wanting to try one of these to do my feet, hands, and face for so long, I just have never bought one. And you know what? I don't know why I waited so long. I love it, and I think you will too. I'm going to be giving you some tanning tips all throughout the rest of the video, and let's start out with this one. You'll want to put a barrier cream on your ankles, knees, wrists, and between your fingers. You can use any heavier cream. I wouldn't use a light moisturizer. It's just not going to provide a barrier. Right now, I am using the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. It comes in this huge pump, and you can see it's super thick. I bought it at Target. It's super inexpensive, and it's also really nice to use after you shower. I'll have it linked below. I always use the darkest shade of the tanners I have tried, and honestly, most of them aren't that dark on me. I've got pretty pale skin with freckles if I don't get any sun, but I do tan really dark if I lay out, which I honestly haven't done for a really long time. Coco and Eve does have a face product, but they were sold out. So I took a chance and use this on my face with the Kabuki Brush. Finally, it's time to tan. I showered, shaved, and exfoliated yesterday, and I put my barrier cream on my ankles, knees, elbows, armpits, and between my fingers just about a half hour ago. So we're ready to start. Just a little warning for when you start applying this. This does have a color guard, which I love, so you can make sure you're not missing a spot. But the color guard is really, really dark, and it's kind of green. But when you wash it off, the green does go away. Thank goodness. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous about that. The foam is definitely not cute when it comes out of the pump, but it is nice and thick and won't fall off the mat when you're applying it, and does look much better on your skin than it does on the mitt. Tanning tip. Start with your ankles and work your way up so you don't have any crease lines on your stomach. Do your feet, hands, and arms last. My bunny Kobe is wondering what the heck I'm doing. Where's my treats? Tanning tip. Bend your knees and elbows when you're applying the tanner so that your skin is flat and doesn't have any creases. Tanning tip. If you don't have anyone to help you do your back, just put your elbow across and using your other hand, just kind of push your elbow back gently and you'll be able to get it. Oh, make sure and wash your palms right away. Time for face and hands. Get my cute little Kabuki brush. I just put a small pump on there. I've heard that you don't want to overdo it on your hands. And I do have my barrier cream between my fingers. I'm just going to brush this on. And this is so much nicer than trying to do it with your mitt. This brush is the best for your hands. It just gives you so much more control. I have never used a Kabuki brush when tanning, and I'll have to say I will now. And we'll do this hand now. My ring doesn't really come off, so I'll just have to brush around it. Small tanning tip. There is another bendy area. So make sure you make a loose fist and do your knuckles. Coco and Eve does have a face tanning product, but they were out of stock, so we're just going to use this. I'm just going to put a pump at a time so I don't overdo it on my face. I'm just looking down at my mirror. Make sure I get through my hairline. And just like your hands, you don't want to put too much on your face. And be careful not to get it in your eyes too. And don't forget your ears. I'm just going to smooth this out and I think I'm done. Wow! Let's see what it looks like tomorrow. I didn't put any foundation on so you could see what it really looks like, totally raw. And I did leave the tanner on overnight. The instructions say you can shower it off after 2 hours or wait overnight. I waited overnight so I could get the maximum effect. I love this product. I was a little nervous when I was applying it because even though I went for the ultra dark, it was ultra dark going on with that green tint. But it washed off really nice and I don't look like a Cheeto or the Hulk. The only negative I experienced was my hands came out a little uneven, but my palms are really good. And you know what? I think it was my own fault. I think I was so excited to use a Kabuki brush, I just put on too much. And now for the last tanning tip. Moisturize your body after applying the tanner, but make sure there is no alcohol and preferably no fragrance. I hope this video was helpful to you if you were deciding whether to try Coco and Eve or trying to pick a tanner to use. If you have any questions about Coco and Eve, or if you have any other tanning products you'd like me to try, please let me know in the comments. Oh, and don't forget to check out my other self-tanning videos. I'll have them linked up here. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, plus the bell, so you don't miss any of my videos. Have a gorgeous day. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.